Alright, hello guys. Today, due to popular demand, I'm going to be doing a Miller B Nor'easter Storm Track video like I did for the Miller A Nor'easter Storm Track. If you want to go check that one out though, there will be a little tab on the top right corner there that you can go ahead and click on and watch that one first. Before I get started with the video though, I would ask that you would subscribe if you do like weather related videos. I would also ask that you would like the video if you did like it, that way I know what you guys want to see and hear. So let's get into it. Here's a graphic on the typical Miller B Storm Track, and I really like this graphic. I don't really know who made it, but I do like this graphic. I think it really pictures the whole thing. You can see the low pressure system usually starts just north of Montana in Canada and then makes its way south towards areas like Nebraska, then areas like Illinois, and then the energy kind of transfers off the coast somewhere in as north as Pennsylvania and as far south as North Carolina, will transfer off the coast and then head up the coast, giving areas like New England and the northeastern portions of the United States the heaviest impacts. Here's a Miller A, just in case you were wondering. You see it starts anywhere from Texas, Mexico, up into Oklahoma, Kansas. It can start anywhere in those areas, but usually it tracks through the Gulf, up the East Coast, the entire East Coast, and then impacts areas in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic. So the real difference here is that a Miller A travels up the entire East Coast, and a Miller B only travels up about half or 1/3 of the East Coast. So that's your biggest difference there. Getting started with Storm 1, 1 of 4, we're going to be looking at this area of development in the green as I go ahead and play this. Then we're going to see our area of intensification off the coast of Virginia and North Carolina, as well as areas of the Delmarva. And then our biggest impacts with this storm is going to be the southern locations of New England, as well as in Long Island and portions of New Jersey. Now for storm number 2, we're going to see it develop in a completely different area. North Dakota, Minnesota area is going to be our area of main development here. Then our area of intensification is a bit further north in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And then our area of biggest impact again is southern New England and portions of New Jersey and Long Island. For storm number 2, our area of development again is in Colorado and Nebraska, as well as South Dakota. Then our area of intensification is in the West Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, New Jersey area. And then with this one, our entire New England Northeast area is going to get the worst impact. Now our next storm area of development here is in the states of Montana, Colorado, South Dakota, North Dakota, Nebraska area. Then our area of intensification is further south on this one. We're going to see that this is what I call a merged nor'easter storm, and this is actually where there's a Miller A and a Miller B that merge into one storm. Here's that area where the two storms merge in that pink. And then biggest impact is going to be the entire northeast and New England area. These merged storms usually end up being a lot bigger than one individually. So I just wanted to add that this is possible as well. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very educational and you learned a thing or two. That's the Miller B Storm Track. Again, if you haven't seen the Miller A Storm Track, I would highly recommend you check it out just so you can see that there is two types and you can see the other type. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. See you guys later.